what do you call this? Kung kayo po ay nag-register kanina doon, we'll make sure that your
NGMA.
information are confidential and we'll get in touch with you para sabihan na nandito kami sa mga susunod na mga sinihan para ayain kayo for a libre.
Nice.
So this Gladiator 2 is brought to us by Sensodyne. Alam niyo naman kanina pa.
Sensodyne nagtututbrush.
Sensodyne, deep clean, Sensodyne Milo, is Sensodyne mo. May 99 na Sensodyne. And also we have San Miguel flavored beer. San Miguel flavored beer, make life refreshingly sweet with San Miguel flavored beer. So we'll just wait for the others dito. At 4 p.m. we'll start. Enjoy watching the movies. Para sa inyo yan, Kapuso.
Yeah! Thank you!